How to log in YouTube in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to log into your YouTube account on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, if you have not logged into your YouTube account on your iPhone and you open the YouTube application, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see try session to get started, and you'll be prompted to use YouTube with account or without account. So for you to log in YouTube on your iPhone, you need to have a Gmail account or Google account. Once you have a Gmail account, all you just need to do to log in YouTube on your iPhone is click on the profile icon at the top right. Then you should see do more with YouTube. Then go ahead and click on sign in. Once you hit the sign button, you see this pop comes up. If you do not have any Google account added to your iPhone, just go ahead and click on add account. Once you click on add account, click on continue. When you see YouTube want to use google.com to sign in, then hang on. Here, you need to continue with your Google account to sign into your YouTube account. Then go ahead and type in your Gmail account. You may type the Gmail account with @gmail.com or without @gmail.com. Then after click on done, click on next. Once you click on the next button, you need to go ahead and type in your Google account password. So go ahead and type in your Google account password. Once you type in the password, go ahead and click on next. Then hang on while Google confirms your password, and once your password is confirmed, then you should see sign in as your YouTube profile name. Then you can now start surfing YouTube on your iPhone. So that is basically how to log in YouTube in iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.